Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you a simple way to combine columns in an Excel spreadsheet. Here we have a simple spreadsheet with title, first, last name and email columns. Let's combine the title, first and last names into a new column. Using the concatenate transform, we can combine title, first and last. Here you can see a new column has appeared. We want the names to be separated by spaces, so let's change this comma to a space, and let's rename the column. So we add a rename columns transform, and we'll call this full name. And output it to Excel. So we're going to create a new Excel file, and we'll just call it output. Let's look at the file. So here we can see our new column. So that's nice and simple. Let's try and do something a little more sophisticated and add the elements of the full name together in a different order. So now we're going to use a substitute transform. I'm going to call the column full name again. And we're going to have the last name, then a comma, the first name, and then the title. So here we can see a new column with last name, comma, first name, comma, title. And perhaps we also want to get rid of these three columns. So let's use a remove columns transform. And output to an Excel file. Let's name the sheet we're writing to as well. So here you can see we've named the sheet. Let's save the transform file in case we want to use it again. If we wanted to perform these transforms on thousands of files, we could do it using the batch process functionality. For example, using a wildcard here to input every file in that folder with that extension and every sheet in those files. See our batch processing video for more details. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. Download a free trial and try it yourself.